The last classes of SV learnings were about the Stone Age and Bronze Age. Today we learn about the Iron Age. Please watch. The Iron Age refers to the ancient time period when iron began to be used to create tools and weapons. In most places, iron replaced bronze and stone tools. Iron was stronger, more durable, and readily available. We don't know when and where the Iron Age occurred. Archaeologists and historians tell the use of iron began in the Middle East and Southern East Europe. The Iron Age does not occur at the same time throughout the world. Iron tools and weapons came to an area after a group of people came in contact with another group already using iron. As each region and its cultures adopted the use of iron and replaced bronze tools, they entered the Iron Age. Around 800 BC, people in Britain learned how to use iron. There, the people lived in clans that belonged to tribes led by warrior kings. Iron tools made farming much easier than before, and settlements grew in size. Men and boys trained as warriors. They had to be prepared to fight at any time. The farmers grew crops and vegetables. They kept geese, goat and pigs and had large herds of cows and flocks of sheep. Some people worked as potters, carpenters and metal workers. Iron Age introduced a new career called blacksmith. The people lived in England are called Celts. Here, the iron tools made a tremendous change. These people grow oats, barley, millet and corn. However, wheat became the most popular grain in England during the Iron Age. The Celts were great at land management and made use of all lands, even hillsides. In this period, with the help of iron tools, they began to clear forests to make use of more lands. They used granaries to store their wheat in order to create a surplus or used in times of drought or famine. China's Iron Age officially began in the late 3rd century to early 2nd century BCE. The Chinese made iron bells, jars, vessels, weapons and jewelries. The Iron Age is the last stage of prehistoric Europe and the first of the proto-historic periods. The Celts spread across Europe showed their advantage in the superiority of iron weapons. Thus, the Europeans used iron between 800 and 600 BCE. Iron made their life a lot of changes. That time, much of them settled into small village life. Iron farming tools such as sickles and plough tips made the process more efficient and allowed farmers to exploit the hard soils, try new crops, and have more time for other activities. Some families spend their new free time making salt, sewing clothes, and crafting luxuries. In the Indian subcontinent, the Iron Age is taken to begin with the iron-working painted grey ware culture. Recent estimates suggest that it ranges from the 15th century BC through the reign of Ashoka in the 3rd century BC. By the end of the Iron Age, many peoples in Europe lived in hill forts. These had been excavated and we found inside the hill forts, families lived in round houses. These were simple, one-roomed homes with a pointed roof and walls made with a mixture of mud and twigs. In the center of a round house, there was a fire where metals were smelted. Around the walls were jars for storing foods and beds made from straw covered with animal skin. When the Iron Age ended, it is considered the last period of prehistory or the period before we have written records. Your comments are my motive. Hope you like this video. Like and share. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.